How to import videos from Aliexpress to Shopify. So if you want to quickly go ahead and import videos from Aliexpress to your Shopify, here's how you're going to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Aliexpress and you're going to go over to any product where, you can see any product video. So I'm going to go over to, let's say, this product, and let's say this product has a video on it, right? So most products will have a video, showcasing what the product does, how the product works, and a whole lot more. So let's say that video does exist over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the page and you're going to click on inspect. Now, once you click on inspect over here in this code section, you are going to go ahead and find a file which is going to give you the video reference, okay? In the case you can't find it, you are going to want to go ahead and hover over things. So mainly you will find it over here, right under image class. So in image class, you're going to see all the things that are related to this image that you can see above you. And in this section, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to take the data or the link for the corresponding video that you find, and you're simply going to go ahead and download it. Okay, so let me show it to you in reference to this image you can see over here, right? So here you have this image. Now if you want to go ahead and find this image, you're going to click on this, and you can even like use control find to find anything. So you can like find different IMGs or different images. So as you can see, you can get a whole code for IMGs over here. So you can find an IMG code, or you can simply go ahead and even go for a video code. So if you find a video code, as you can see, you see the run parameters for videos over here, and you start getting script for all the assets of videos. So you're going to go ahead and choose one of these. Okay, you can also increase their size to find them. And it's quite easy to go through with them. And as you can see, it's also going to give you different divisions to choose from. Now the thing is, you can also increase the size of this. Like, you don't necessarily need to be in a phone view to get through with these things. So once you increase the size, I'm simply going to go ahead, reload the page real quick. And once this stuff loads up in the page, and you have the head, and then you have all this other content right here, okay? And this is content that you can choose, which content to mess in what area, right? And as you keep going up or you keep going down, you keep finding new things, different things to work with. And generally, you should find their image and body section from these places. So that's pretty much about it for this video. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. If you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.